Hey everyone, this is Deb. Good morning. This is a video response from Mars from Michigan, who is Marleen. She is having a vintage beaded white wedding dress challenge. You're looking at part 2, which explains the rules to the challenge. And I'm gonna let that up to Marleen to tell you, so you'll have to check it out. Part 1 is her two granddaughters modeling the gorgeous wedding dress. And she's giving that away so people can, I guess, either use it or deconstruct it to use for the trims and appliques and whatnot. It's beautiful. And anyway, so her challenge goes until June 17th. Everything has to be to her by the 17th of June. She made it long so that International could join in, and the drawing will be on June 18th. And it will be a point system, so go on over and check out the video I'm showing you now, but I will link part 1 as well. And show Marleen some crafty love. She does lives most mornings during the week, and also joins in with Canvas Craze Creations Brandy on some of her nighttime lives, and vice versa. So, and Tina Happy Mail joins in and so forth. So yeah, once in a while you get a whole bunch of them in there. So yeah, go show Marleen some crafty love. She is so talented in the craft, in many crafts: beading, paper crafts, steampunk, different, you know, makes flowers, all different styles. I'm just like in awe of her talent. So yeah, go check her out, show her some crafty love, and tell her I sent you, okay? Alrighty, if you're not a subscriber, go subscribe, and be sure to tell her I sent you over. Alright, have a wonderful day, wonderful week everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Bye-bye.